Cassidy, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Imagine sitting in court and a grown man tries to dodge his responsibilities by saying, "He's not my son, he's a redhead." This isn't just absurd, it's jaw-dropping. In this case, the judge wasn't having it. From outrageous excuses about hair color to a shocking attempt to abandon a child he legally adopted, we're breaking down explosive moments from this courtroom showdown. Trust me, this case will leave you speechless.
We were married for several years, and he adopted my son from my first marriage, which meant my first husband relinquished all rights, and he doesn't want to take care of the child.
Okay, let's set the stage. A mother comes to court after her ex-husband refuses to support the son he legally adopted. Sounds simple, right? Well, what comes next will leave you shaking your head.
Well, he's not my son.
Well, yes, he is. You adopted him.
I thought I was in love with her. I just wanted to please her.
So you didn't really love the child at all, your son? Because
Well,
he is your son, just so we're clear.
Did you catch that? He flat out says he's not my son. But wait, he signed the adoption papers. That's not just a father figure, that's a legal parent. There's no walking away from that.
You're not going to be able to say things like, "It's not my child." You adopted this child legally. This is your child.
Well, he's not blood. He's her son. He's just
Okay, you
The
adopted
redheaded
the
one.
child.
Yeah.
And you're here today because she wants you to
pay child support.
pay
for
child
that
support
kid.
and take care of your child.
He's more of a ballerina than he is a boy.
What do you mean by a ballerina?
I don't want that kid. He's.
Wow. Did he really bring up the child's hair color? Imagine thinking you can reject your kid because of red hair. That's not just an excuse. That's cruelty wrapped in ignorance.
Sir, you adopted this child.
Well, let his own father adopt him back.
Wait a minute. His father terminated his rights, and you adopted this child.
Well, she can talk to
I'm
somebody
not
else
about
that-
to play this game with you, sir. Mr. Cassidy, we're not doing that today, okay?
And now he's calling the boy a ballerina, as if being sensitive, artistic, or different makes him less worthy of love. This is where Judge Vonda's authority shines. She doesn't flinch. She doesn't budge. She reminds him exactly what the law says. You adopted this child. He is your son.
I have your gross. Yes, ma'am.
So I've dyed the little boy's hair now, so
What color is his hair now, ma'am?
his hair is the same color of his now.
And you all are aware that the color of this child's hair doesn't matter in terms of the financial responsibility, right?
I understand that, but he doesn't, so I'm just trying to make it to where he
I don't
likes
want to buy
his son.
tutus for
You
the
know
rest
what?
of
It is
his life.
ridiculous. She even had to dye the child's hair to even make you receive any type of comfort, sir. That's ridiculous.
This part hit me hard. The mother admits she dyed her child's hair just to get his father's acceptance. Imagine the pain a kid feels when his worth depends on changing who he is. The judge was right to call this ridiculous because it is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, maybe an ambulance might help me.
Okay, well, right now I'm getting ready to help you with these numbers, okay?
Or a
Giving you
12
credit for
gauge.
the other children that you have. Your child support obligation is $808.72, plus the health insurance reimbursement of $230 a month. That makes your monthly obligation $1,038.72.
And here it is, the numbers, $1 to $38.72 every month. The man practically wants an ambulance called. That's how much it shocked him. But this isn't punishment. It's responsibility. If you can make $83,000 a year farming, you can afford to care for the child you promised to raise.
Well, there's a lot of overhead for farming.
Well, you know what?
Well-
Dye your hair red.
Well, that's not going to help me pay my bills. That's
It
not going to help me
might.
feed my cattle.
Well, you know what? You might want to choose some different alternatives.
Well, you got to eat. That's what. Where do you think your food comes from?
You grow my food?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And I pay for it from you, right?
Well, yeah.
Okay. Well, guess what? You're going to continue to grow your food, and you're going to take care of this child, who's now the hair is dyed because you had a problem with the color of the child's hair. Ridiculous. Is there anything further here?
Yes, the last year that he hasn't paid, can he pay the back pay as well?
You know what? That is a great question. Are you asking for back pay today, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, unfortunately, you did not put that in your paperwork that you filed with the court requesting that. So unfortunately, if you did not ask previously, I can't award it to you.
Okay.
So monthly obligation, listen,
Judge, there's another
you don't
option.
need all of that.
If he wants to come back and remarry me, we can do that. Then he won't have to worry about child support.
Now this was wild. The mom actually says, if he remarries me, he won't have to pay child support. That's not just a curveball. That's a soap opera twist right in the courtroom.
Biological parent terminated his rights. The husband adopted the child as a step-parent adoption. The wife and the husband are now going through a divorce. Am I obligated to pay child support for the child that I adopted? Well, under Texas law, that is very much so the case. Just because you adopt a child does not mean you have zero responsibility to that child. Legally, they become your child. Therefore, in the event of a divorce, you can't be obligated to pay child support, and it's that simple, folks.
And finally, Judge Vonda lays it out crystal clear. Under Texas law, when you adopt a child, that child becomes yours in every legal sense. You don't get to pick and choose based on hair color, hobbies, or your mood. That's the lesson here. Parenthood is a promise, not a convenience. So what do you think? Was the judge too harsh or just right? Personally, I think she nailed it. This wasn't about child support numbers. This was about dignity, responsibility, and a child's right to be loved. Drop your thoughts in the comments, because this case is one people are going to be talking about.